In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download eToro Delta. If you want to get the Delta desktop app on your computer, the process is very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Delta download page. It's important to use the official download page so you know you're getting the correct and most up-to-date version of the software. This also helps you avoid unofficial websites or outdated installers that could cause problems later. Once you're on the Delta by eToro download page, take a moment to look for the desktop download options. You should see choices for different operating systems, and this is where you'll select the version that matches your computer. If you're using a Windows PC, choose the Windows option. If you're using an Apple computer, choose the Mac option. Make sure you pick the correct version for your device, because the installer is different depending on the operating system. After selecting either Windows or Mac, the download should begin. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked to confirm the download location, or the file may automatically save to your default downloads folder. If you don't see anything happening right away, check your browser's downloads section to confirm that the installer file is being downloaded successfully. When the download is complete, open the installer file to begin the installation. On Windows, this usually means double-clicking the downloaded file and following the setup prompts. On Mac, you'll also open the downloaded file and continue through the installation steps shown on screen. During this part of the process, your computer may ask for permission to install the application. If that happens, simply review the prompt and approve it to continue. As the installation runs, follow the on-screen instructions until the app is fully installed. In most cases, this only takes a few moments. Once the setup is finished, you can open Delta from your desktop, applications folder, or start menu, depending on the device you're using. That's all it takes to download and install eToro Delta on your computer. Just make sure you start from the official Delta by eToro download page. Choose the correct version for Windows or Mac, and then complete the installation using the installer file. If you found this helpful, you can replay the video and follow each part at your own pace.